Everybody, Brock VandenBerg, fund manager for TaliMar Income Fund. I wanted to jump on and comment on a recent article that I read actually this morning regarding some of the new tax or the provisions within the new tax proposal currently going through Congress. And this specifically has to do with the 20% qualified business income tax deduction that all investors receive in our mortgage REIT. So to give you a quick background, if you're investing non-retirement funds, so just these are straight funds, you receive a 20% tax deduction on the income generated from our fund because we have a mortgage or we have a REIT component within the funds. Now, that deduction is scheduled to sunset in 2025. It was always a big question: are they going to extend the qualifications or extend this tax deduction? And it appears with the tax provisions, not only are they going to extend the 20% tax deduction, they're actually going to make it permanent, and it only starts there. According to, and this is a Wall Street Journal article, they are actually going to increase the deduction from 20% to 23%. So that deduction will increase. You'll actually save more, and there'll be more tax savings for people that are investing funds. Again, non-IRA funds. Now, there's also additional things to consider here. They are going to increase the amount of the cap. So what that means is that if any pass-through income generated from like an LLC or a pass-through corporation or whatnot qualifies for this deduction. But there is a salary or an income cap that if you go beyond that income cap, this deduction phases out. Again, if you're in a mortgage REIT, because the income is generated from a REIT, there is no cap. However, that cap threshold is actually going to be increased, and it'll be indexed to inflation. This is all within the tax proposal. It looks like this QBI tax deduction has a high likelihood of at least being extended, possibly being permanent, and have an increase in the actual deduction itself. If you've got any questions about that 20% tax deduction that you would receive through investing through our mortgage REIT, please feel free to reach out to be more happy to explain it to you in further detail. But this is great news to hear that this deduction hopefully is going to be extended, made permanent, and also increased. Thanks for listening.